Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be going through the course CSS111 Introduction to Sociology. Just before we go into it, I like to prepare our mind that to make this course engaging and a memorable experience, we'll be going through some exercises together. The purpose of the exercise is to be sure that we comprehend and we give our answers in a voice note record, and we submit our answers to the exercise on the WhatsApp group. After this is said and done, let's go straight right into it. Now, this course has 4 modules. Today, we'll be starting with Module 1 and we'll be looking into Unit 1 of Module 1 and Unit 2 of Module 1. Now, Unit 1 says, Definition of Sociology. We have the introduction. You will bear with me that the world today is characterized by high levels of worry, concern, and anxiety for the future, and yet full of promises that the future holds. In reality, the world nowadays is known by characterized by tension, social divisions, day-by-day conflicts, international terrorism, assassinations, including the destructive operations of modern technology on the existent natural environment. Despite all these concerns, the people still have the assurance and possibility of controlling their destiny and ensuring that their lives are shaped for the better, which might have been unachievable to the earlier generations. Why this obvious difference? In what direction will change take in the future? These questions are the major focus of sociology. It is in the interest of sociology to ensure playing a significant role in these modern times, understanding why people change from particular way to another. That's sociology in a nutshell. This is what actually makes the field of sociology to be much concerned with people's action over time. Objectives. We have what is sociology, origin of sociology, scope of sociology, methods of sociology, behavior, and so on. Main context. Definition of sociology. Sociology is like every other social science, such as psychology, which is the study of the mind and behavior, geography, economy, political science, etc. Geography is said to be the physical feature, the study of the physical feature of the earth and its atmosphere, and of human activities, has its effects and it's affected by this. Political science is a study, the scientific study of science. Economics is a study of the branch of knowledge concerned with products, consumption, and transfer of wealth. Now we have the definition of sociology. Sociology is the systematic study of groups and societies in which people live, how social structure and cultures are created and maintained or changed, and how they affect our behavior. As we noted earlier on, sociology is a part of the family of social science that includes psychology, as we have defined earlier, anthropology, geography, political science, and parts of history. All social sciences are concerned with human behavior, although they share the same basic subject matter. Each social science focuses on a different aspect of behavior. For example, psychologists are most interested in the internal source of human. Sociologists in the external source of human behavior. In the external source of behavior, psychologists study the working of the nervous system and the effect of neurotransmitters, neuron transmitters, I beg your pardon, neurotransmitters, hormones, or stress on individual. Now, anthropology means the study of human society and culture and developments. Now, neurotransmitters, they are chemical messengers that our body cannot function without. They are chemicals, they are chemical signal. They carry chemical signals from one nerve cells, from one neuron to the targeted cells. Hormones, chemical messengers of the body. That is what hormones are, and as you heard, neurotransmitters. What they are? Sociologists look at the working of society and the effect that social class, gender, roles, age, new technologies, changing attitudes towards reckless behavior. All these are the changes of human beings. Psychologists focus on personalities, on the behavior and attitudes that are characteristics of person regardless of the situations. Sociology focus on role. Now, these are definitions between sociologists and psychologists. As you can see here, sociologists focus on the roles, on the behavior and attitude that are characteristics of people in a given social position or situation, regardless of their individual personality. Anthropology shares sociology's interest in the impact of social structure and culture of literate society, local community, or small group. Sociologists too study communities and small groups, but they also examine modern industrial societies and large scale. Now we have economists and political scientists single out particular kind of social activity. Sociologists look at the nature of social action itself, at the manner in which different kinds of activities fit together to create larger pattern of the society. Now, sociologists are primarily interested in areas where social structure and culture intersect, where they join together. That's the meaning of intersect. One of these is social constitution. Social institution are established pattern of actions and thoughts that organize important social activities. Now, the family, education, religion, and political and economic system. These institutions provide ready-made answers to recurring problem of life: how to make community decisions, how to produce and distribute goods and services, how to arrange household and provide child care. Now we have the origin of sociology.